here what now the S4 HANA system, as we discussed many times. Okay, I was talking about Fiori apps. Okay, so now now you can see here for here we need to understand what is the difference between. Okay, now let us assume if I want to access a Fury app. Okay, before going to understand the access, okay, in S4 HANA system, it's a completely role based. Okay, the roles also we can customize the roles however we want. Okay, what is the difference between role based and authorization based? Authorization based is a nothing but if I want to post some automatic payment program, what is the transaction code? F1110. Okay, to run. I mean, this is a generic example what I am giving here. So F1110, if I have the transaction code related authorization, then I can able to execute the transaction code. Okay, but Fury it's not like that. Okay, we would require the separate role to access my Fury. Okay, where I can see the the roles in the system. Okay, I will show you in the system. Okay, please concentrate, this is something important for you people. Okay, let me go to the SU01D. SU01D is the transaction code. It's a user ID. Okay, because this is it's a basis transaction code. Okay, S4 HANA 21. This is my access. Okay, whatever the authorizations which I am having, I will show you. Now you can see something here in my ID profiles. See now here SAP all the authorization what I could see here SAP all, even though if the basis people, okay, they have given authorization to access all the transaction codes in SAP system. Okay, this through the GUI level. Okay, GUI stands for graphical user interface where I am going to access. Okay, but now GUI is nothing but a where I can access through my login pad. Okay, so let me show you that one. Okay, this is my login pad. If I log in, then within the system here I can do whatever I want. Even now you can see here there are many roles. I mean there are many authorizations has been assigned here. But now these authorizations what they have provided, it's only for your GUI. Okay, GUI is nothing but where you need to log in into the through the login pad. You need to access the transaction code, you need to perform. But now if you want to access a Fury, okay, the Fury you can see here roles. Okay, for Fury now you can see how many roles which are assigned here. If I want to access for everything, okay, these roles must and should be assigned, but these roles will be, we must have to identify this appropriate role, then we need to communicate to the basis team. Okay, then they will assign the roles. Okay, okay, so authorizations are different, roles are different. Okay, remember. Okay, now maybe some let us assume for F110. Okay, if I don't have the if I don't have the authorization in GUI. Okay, let us assume if I want to go for the F111. Okay, let me go here. For example, F110. Okay, maybe let us assume here I may not have access to run this transaction code in GUI. Maybe the similar the similar role, if I have the role here, okay, then definitely I can able to access Fury app, I can perform my functionality, right? So that is the reason I can able to perform my business action. So then that is the reason we would require is the roles to access the Fury app. This is the S4 HANA. It's not the authorization based. What I'm trying to say here, let me describe this one. The S4 HANA completely it's a role based, it's not the authorization based. Understand this one. Okay, S4 HANA, S4 HANA is role based system. Okay, so then this was also in ECC. This was also one of the disadvantage is nothing but if I want to buy a license. Okay, license is I have to buy. Okay, how many users are working, how many users are accessing that particular transaction code, user wise I was able to, I mean I need to able to buy the license in ECC, but in S4 HANA it's not like, okay, whoever performing role based, okay. So how many people are performing that particular role? See, now if you use, do not use, whatever it may be, you must have to buy the, okay, license for one user. But now role is not like that. Okay, I am using only the particular role. Okay, only for particular peoples we can buy the, okay, we can buy the access. Okay, that is the difference between role based and authorization based. These are the roles. Okay, what I was talking about, that is what S4 HANA is, a completely role based. Going forward you may not, but this option will be there in order to access, if I want to access some transaction codes in GUI, but role based. Okay, because most of the transactions will be happened through the Fiori only. Nowadays no one is using. Okay, now let us see. Okay, now I was talking about, keep on talking about Fury apps, but maybe few people's aware of that one, but few people's do not aware about the Fury apps. Then what kind of Fury apps we are having? Okay, let's see the, I will show you the Fury apps. Okay, now how to access the Fury apps? Okay, how to access the Fury app? There is some transaction code, it is there, but I have already opened the Fury apps. I will show you, sorry, this one, sorry, here itself. Okay, we have to go to here within this system itself. Okay, nothing has been opened. Let me go here, Fury. Okay, how the Fury apps looks like. So once the Fury apps will be types of Fury apps, I will show you something I have already opened here. Let me access it. Here also, for Fury also we must have to enter the username and password. Without entering this one, okay, username S4 HANA 21 HANA 21. Password is incorrect. One moment, let me check my username. What is this? I am, let me check this access. This access, where is this access? Not this. Okay, got it. Yes, for HANA. Okay, I was entering the wrong access. Now let me log in. Join now. Okay. Maybe it's a bit slow here, Fury. Fury apps access will be a bit slow here. Okay, let it open that one, the Fiori apps. But let me explain you the types of Fiori apps. This is the important one. Types of Fiori apps in S4 HANA. Okay, this is the important one. Okay, how many types of Fiori apps are there? Okay, so now the Fiori apps, as I said, okay, we have the new Fiori apps. Okay, so the let us assume three types. The Fiori apps in SAP, three types of, okay, I'll mention straightforward. Three types of Fiori apps are there. Okay, what are those? What are those? One is the number one is the new. Okay, so the new Fiori apps are, okay, for there is no the new Fiori apps. Okay, okay, there is no corresponding transaction. there is no corresponding transaction in GUI. Okay, now what exactly meaning of this one? Okay, now let us assume now I want to generate the reports in the form of pie chart or bar charts. Okay, now for that one, we don't have the particular transaction code in GUI level. GUI, this is my graphical user interface. Okay, so this is my GUI. Okay, here I don't have particular transaction code, even though, okay, there is a separate Fiori app to generate the reports. Okay, that is the new one. Okay, where I do not have the appropriate transaction code in GUI level. The second one is that renew. Okay, just this and all, just for your information. Okay, Fiori application, then the transaction code is exist in GUI. For that we have a separate Fiori app. Okay, what exactly this one? Okay, now to process the let us assume to process the payments, we'll talk about the same example. Now if I want to process the payments here, okay, F110 payments, what will happen? I have already transaction code in the system. Okay, even though I would require is a, okay, the payments to process the payments. Okay, then sorry, let me go to here. Okay, how can I find the payments related? Okay, this is a Fiori application. Okay, this is a Fiori. Let me go to the header so that okay, home, let me go to the, okay, this is a Fiori this is the one Fiori. Okay, let me go to here. It's a very slow here. So even I want to show you the other Fiori apps also. How? Okay, wait, let me. Okay, we'll see. I will show you them. Fine. So what is happening here for F110? I have the transaction, even though I would require separate Fiori app. Okay, separate Fiori app for that one. Okay, even that can be possible. Okay, now there is a one more thing. Okay, enable. Okay, let us assume. Okay, I will mention here is a customization or enable. Remember, this is the important for you. Now if you have the transaction code, maybe that SAP they have done the investigation, they have given separate Fiori app for your business point of view. Then this is a, we have already transaction codes. Okay, SAP has given, but now the customization is nothing but a where now if you want to perform the new functionality in the Fiori app itself, what you can do, like how we were able to customizing some or the programs in SAP. Okay, the similar way even you can able to do the customization for the Fiori app. Okay, so meaning that you can develop a custom Fiori app for your business requirement. Okay, the Fiori app we can develop straightforward. I'll mention we can develop a Fiori customization app. I'll mention Fiori. We can develop a custom Fiori app. So custom Fiori app is nothing but a, we need to contact to the Fiori consultant. The Fiori related, we will have the separate consultants will be there. So then they will do the, okay, they will check the back end. Okay, but the process I will explain you if you would require. Then we will have the three type of the Fiori apps here. Okay, now this is the one important thing. Then now you can see here role based, the completely SAP I have already explained. S4HANA is one of the biggest thing. I will show you. Okay, now I am talking about the Fiori apps I have already. Okay, now this is the Fiori. Okay, still it is not accepting. Okay, fine. This is the Fiori, one of the Fiori app. Okay. why it is got completely stuck. Okay, fine. So here we can able to search. Okay, I will open soon. I mean, in another 5-10 minutes, I will open another system. In that, I will show you. Maybe this is the old version. Okay, now this, if you want whatever Fiori app you want, you can search here. Okay, whatever the Fiori app which you want, you can search here. Let me go here. Now, how to find the Fiori app? Because I know the transaction code. I am just saying that F110, okay, FB01, to FBL3N, okay, whatever it may be. I am saying because I am the user, I don't know the Fiori app. Okay, how can I find first of all Fiori app? Okay, this, let you just go to the Google. Simple thing is that Fiori, you just mention Fiori library. Okay, just mention the Fiori library. Just enter it. Just click on this one. Just wait a moment. Just accept it. Now this is the Fiori library which is available. Now, if you want to find out for F110 what is the Fiori app or FB01, the simple thing I will tell you. Then click on this one. This is important for you. Okay, then see, now here there are n number of Fiori apps which are appearing, but I don't want to, okay, see all together. You can see here 1 lakh 15,831 Fiori apps what we can see at this moment here. Now simply enter F110, then search it here. Now you can see create manual payment or else schedule for the automatic payment program, revise payment proposals. Now you can see these many Fiori apps are available. Okay, let me take this one, schedule automatic payment. Okay, now let us assume whether this Fiori app which is going to support for your version, your SAP version or not. First you need to know this one. As a being as a consultant, you must and should know this information. Now you can see here schedule automatic payments. This Fiori app, you just check here, it's a S4HANA. For which versions it is going to support, you can see here S4 HANA 2022, S21, okay, 21, 20, okay, 1909, 1809, 1709. So meaning that this Fiori app, it will support for your, okay, even 20, up to 2022 S4 HANA 2022 version also. This is the way how you need to find out the Fiori app if you don't know. Okay, let us take one more. I'll remove this one. Okay, if I want to post the FB50, okay, then now you can see here GL account posting for the single screen. Okay, if you want to search anything, you can search here. Okay, how to find the Fiori app, the required Fiori app for your requirements. Okay, this is what I just have explained here, how to find the, click on all Fiori apps, then just come back. Okay, click on all Fiori apps and you can find out. This is the website what I have given. If required, I will share with you this PPT.